We all know that information security is important. But why does it matter so much? The answer is simple: behavior. When it comes to information security, the most important factor is how people behave. It does not matter how secure your system is if your employees do not follow the proper protocols, procedures, and policies. For example, if an employee leave their office, their laptop unlocked and unattended, or fails to use a strong password, they are putting your organization at risk of data breach. Even something as simple as clicking on a malicious link in an email can have serious consequences. That's why it is so important to educate your employees about the importance of information security. This is the goal of security awareness training. By doing so, you are giving your employee a chance in understanding the importance of information security. What are the key threats, and what they should do and what they should not do in order to remain safe and help the organization in terms of sustainability and cyber resiliency. By doing security awareness training, you are basically do not know knowledge and information that can help your business only, but you are also gaining information that can make your overall experience in terms of dealing with digital assets more secure and more safe. By following security protocols, security procedures, and understanding the security policy, by using a strong password, implementing multi-factor authentication, understand what are the practices that can lead in more data security, all of this can help in tuning and enhancing the security level in your organization. At the end of the day, behavior matters most when it comes to information security. Educating ourselves and using or doing the good practices to promote the safe behavior can help at the end in protecting the organization from potential threats, keep the business running, and promoting and keeping our business and system resilience against different cyber attacks. Thank you for watching, and let's practice what we have learned in this training in our day-to-day activity, including our life in work and in our business and in our home as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.